In this quick lecture, let us talk about some reserved words that you cannot use as naming purpose. You cannot use them as your method name or your class name, your variable name, or anywhere else. So for example, there are approx 33 words that you cannot use. I will provide you a list. But for example, the first word is and. So if I take and as variable and if I assign a value of 10, you can see I get a syntax error. But if I use maybe ANDD, that is and D, and then provide the value, same value, and it was possible to get that. And if I print that particular value, and you can see I got the result. So these type of reserved terms, that is reserved keywords, I cannot use them as my variable name or class name or different type of names. So there are 33 words with the latest update of Python 3.7. And I guess these are sufficient words, and once you start programming with Python, you will already get used to it. Like you cannot use true as your variable name and you cannot assign this a value. So I got a syntax error that I cannot assign a value to a keyword because true is a keyword. Same will be for false. I cannot use for, else, except, finally. So there are 33 words. And basically you cannot use these words for your naming purpose.